Ajipshor la sobse pola khoboti Mon district Tizit Namtola border area ti since Monday dinbra Assam police khan Tata Sumo driver ekjon Tizit laga arrest kula karni mamla ulaigena Assam Nagaland border area te tension ani thakya latest khobor paloi ase. Assam police khan bra thori logina chamla ja thakya tu driver Mr. Hontong ke identify kuri dia ase aro arrest toli within jurisdiction of Assam Monday din join operation Assam Rifle aro Assam police inika kurgena arrest thakse koi dia ase aro reliable sources ti driver to case number 12424 at Sonare police station in Assam link hesab ti crime hatsa jasal 2024 hoigena thakya karni arrest ko lose ko ase hulipi exact ground ki karni arrest thakse itya tak unclear te ase aro arrest opoti detail investigation choli thakya khobor paloi ase. Sumo driver Assam State Pitor arrest kula issue di private driver union Mon district khanbra tu road blockade kuri digena Namtola dolong Assam Nagaland connect kuri thakya area ti movement restriction uthai di hulipi with the cooperation of civil society police khanbra to timely intervene kuri logina situation itya under control kuri lucia aro border area ti shanti thakbo karni district level coordination maintain kuri thakya border area ti tension situation ulaja opor latest update pa hisab viewers khan ge jonai dia ase. Khobor te hospital tak spare na kurgena repetitive Naga Hospital Authority Kohima ti chorkuri thakya report te commissioning of key medical services aro CT scan facilities bisideri rukhi ahigena install kurila kunpa parts harai thakya jakali managing director of NHAK Dr. M Margaret Yome release kuri dia ase aro saman tuki thakse kuli copper wire grounding system CT scan connect kuri thakya separate occasion duibar chor kuri dia karni diagnostic services delay hoi thakya khobor dia ase. Yome release ti hospital laga saman inika chor kuri dia bra tu service ekla na hoigina essential public health services disturb hoi thakya statement kuri dia ase aro hatsa opor ti April 19 South Police Station Kohima ti FIR file up kurlusha aro case to itia under investigation choli thakya hospital authority koi dia ase. Dr. Yomepi appeal logina public khan sobki jonai dia ase aro judi inika chor kuri thakya information janishe kuli khobor kurgena culprit identify kuribole request kuri dia ase aro public cooperation brahi aha dinti inika hatsa bra dur rakhibole parbo aro critical hardcore infrastructure safeguard kuribole parbo koi dia ase. Nagaland Pradesh Congress Committee NPCC jakali statement di thakya sabti recently Chief Ministerial remarked the revocation of regularization order for 147 assistant professor and librarian case ti disapproval experts thakshe koina NPCC awas uthai dia ase. NPCC press statement ti Chief Ministerial bra ngukchun visit kura tamte issue opor koidia tu decision to revoke appointment tuli based on interim report of High Power Committee HPC aro final decision tuli HPC final report submission krilo apchete rakhibole statement kridi shekoina NPCC likhidia ase itukani judi flip flop decision of Nagaland cabinet satisfy na kurgina Chief Minister Ratu cabinet decision reduce kri misham shijok margina committee constitute kura base kurgina shelter loi thakya koi dia ase itukani NPCC Ratu Chief Minister rio laga statement bra aspirant justice demand kuri thakya khan ki insol kuri dishe koi dia ase. Aro party khan pi shifting position of state government opor criticize kuri digina NPCC khan pi chief minister ki reminded kuri thakya tu oppositionless government hwa kani tai ke goal post shift kuribole entitled kuri dia nai koigina without serious cabinet meeting rakhina decision loi thakya tu mokuri hoi thakya koi dia ase aro student body civil organization khan bra protest ani dia tu accountability and transparency in public recruitment issue opor ulaija NPCC awas uthai dia ase. Union Ministry of Home Affairs khanmara directed dia sabti operation abias Nagaland state tepi aji civil defense exercise across 10 district of Dimapur Kohima Mukukchun Wokha Zneboto Monpek Tingsang Kifri aro Piren district ti Pujor 7 bajibra sur kugina sam 4 baji tak ti kot laga nam operation abias drill rakhilo bole ase. Home Department Police B Branch order release ti concerned department khamra tu modus operandi based on simulation of incoming air raid activity aro building te jui ulatam ti search and rescue operation jokhum pa khan ge evacuation aro safety measures uthai gena hospital punchai dibole hourly report logina state war room khan tu DCCI control room Ministry of Home Affairs notun Delhi khan ki khanda hesab update kuri thakibo koi dia ase. Aji karni iman te khatum kuri dia ase aro notun update karni stay tuned kuri thakibole itupi viewers khan ge koi dia ase.